Good morning, students. I hope you all have watched my previous video in which I have explained how to convert binary number system to a decimal number system. Today again we will learn how to convert one number system to another number system. Like how to convert decimal number system to octal number system. And then I will explain how to convert octal number system to a decimal number system. So let us start how to convert decimal number system to a octal number system. So just remember the process whatever I have explained to convert a decimal number system to a binary number system. So in that process we have to divide the decimal numbers by the base of the target number system. And when you are converting decimal to binary, so in this case the base of the binary number system is 2. So we need to divide by 2 in decimal number system. In the same way, when we are converting decimal number system to a octal number system, we need to divide the decimal numbers by 8 in case of octal number system, because the base or radix of a octal number system is 8. A octal number system is also a position number system, and in this number system we are using 8 digits, 8 numbers, and all the numbers from 0 to 7 we are using. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 8 digits. So the base of this octal number system is 8. So whenever we need to convert any decimal number system into an octal number system, we need to divide the decimal number system by 8. Everything is same as we have done in a conversion from decimal number system to binary number system. So let us start with this conversion. Assume that 266 decimal to octal. So for that we need to divide by 8. 266, 8, 33 is the quotient, and remainder will be 2. Again 4 will be the quotient, remainder will be 1, then again 0. From MSB to LSB we have to use. So it will be 412 in octal. So this is the way to convert decimal to octal number system. So let us do one more example. $70 decimal to octal. 70 we need to convert 8. It will be the quotient, 6 will be the remainder, again 8, 1 will be the quotient, 0 will be the remainder, 8, 0 will be the quotient, 1 will be the remainder. Now 106. So this process we need to follow whenever we need to convert decimal number system to octal number system. We have to divide the decimal number system by 8. Now we will know how to convert the decimal fraction number system to a octal number system. So let us see. .375 decimal to octal number system. So just recall the previous conversion, whatever we have done with the decimal to binary, decimal fraction to binary fraction. So in that we need to divide the fractional part, multiply the fraction part by 2, and here we have to multiply the fraction part by 8. So 0.375 into 8 equals to 3.0. The integer part is 3 and this fraction part is 0, so we no need to multiply again. So this will be the octal number. Now do one more. One 106.675 decimal to octal. So this is called integer part and this is called the fraction part. Integer part will be divided by 8 and fraction part will be multiplied by 8. So integer part 106, 8. Will be the quotient. 2 will be the remainder. 5, 0, 1. One, 5, 2. Now 0.675 into 8 equals to 5.40. In this 5 is the integer part, 40 we have to write here into 8. 3.2, 3 integer part, 0.20 into 8. 1.6, 1 is the integer part, 0.60 into 8, 1.2, 4.8, 4, and 0.80 into 8, 6.4, 6, this fraction part is repeating. So when the fraction part started repeating, then we need to stop the things. So these are the numbers, and in this we have to use from LSB to MSB. LSB to MSB means from top to bottom. 152.53146. So this is the octal conversion of this. Now we will learn how to convert octal number system to a binary number system. So it's very easy, but just learn the process. Suppose you want to convert to 372 octal to a decimal. So each digit of this octal number system carries a weight, and the weight is 372. The weight of this 2 is 80 to the power 0. The weight of this 7 is 80 to the power 1. The weight of this 3 is 80 to the power 2. So this process we will use 3 into 8 to the power 2 plus 7 into 8 to the power 1 plus 2 into 8 to the power 0. So this will be 3 into 64 plus 7 into 8 plus 2 into 1. So this will be 192 plus 56 plus 2. So to add all these things, 192 plus 56 plus 2 will be 250. And this is the decimal of 372. Let us try one more. "35 octal 2 are decimal." So 35, so 3 and 5, a to the power 0, a to the power 1. 3 into a to the power 1 plus 5 into a to the power 0. This will be 24 plus 5 into 1, 5. 24 plus 5, 20. 20. So this is the decimal equivalent of 35, 20. If you want to check this is correct or not, so the same process we have to follow. Whatever we have used to convert decimal to octal. So in decimal to octal, what we have done, we have to divide by 8. 29 divided by 8. 8 is 24. It will be 5, 8, 0. 3 is left. So this is the way to convert octal number to a decimal number system. Now we will know how to convert octal fractional part to a decimal. So assume that this is the fractional part. 0.50 octal to decimal we need to convert. The process we have to do 0.50. This is a to the power minus 1. This is a to the power minus 2. So 5 into a to the power minus 1 plus 0 into a to the power minus 2. So 5 into 0.125 plus 0. Six, 2, 5. 0.625. This is the decimal equivalent of octal. Try one more. $47.312 octal to decimal. So two parts are here, integer part and decimal part, fractional part. So first of all we need to convert the integer part. 47, this is a to the power 0 and this is the a to the power 1. 4 into a to the power 1 plus 7 into a to the power 0. So this will be 32 plus 7, 30. 39. This is the integer part. Now the fractional part is 312 to a to the power minus 1, a to the power minus 2, a to the power minus 3. 3 into a to the power minus 1 plus 1 into a to the power minus 2 plus 2 into a to the power minus 2. So 3 into 0.125 plus 1 into 0.015625 plus 2 into 0.01933125. Complex counting. Now we need to do all these things. 0.125 into 3, 0.375 plus 0.015625 plus 2 into 0.001953125 0.0039065. We need to add all 0.015625 0.375 0.3945 3125. This is the decimal conversion. This is the way to convert octal number system to a decimal number system. So in this video I will explain how to convert decimal to hexa decimal number system and hexa to decimal number system, and binary to octal and octal to binary, and binary to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to binary number system. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.